So this is the snow already. And it was only a few hours ago that I took the video. I posted it right away. Now see, that's the same table that was in the video. Getting pretty good snow amount. And if you guys are wondering how we actually take care of the sewer, that's that bucket there. We dump it out. I asked Ruben to leave it so I could show you guys. See, it's already drifted between the pickups there. And this is a happy husky enjoying the snow. But it's nighttime and I wanted to show these again that they work in the winter too. Mark put these on here. These are kind of cool. That's heart barking. We'll watch the light more in the water. It's pretty nice out here. It's cold and windy. Told you, Nova, you'd get snow to play in. Happy husky. Poor Ruben. There she goes. Is that your snow, Nova? Funny girl. Hi, Nova. She's been waiting for a good snow. Anyway, it's not that light out. It's only about 10 o'clock, just around 10 o'clock. Hi, Nova. Pepperoni. Nova. Hi, Nova. Playing with Daddy? Those two never get tired of playing out in the snow. Wait, don't tangle me. Hi, Nova. Hi, Nova. Anyhow, that's a snow update for now. We'll see how deep this gets. See you soon.